off to our first flight since the pandemic. There's a lot going on. I'm going to update you on things. We're very excited. I'm very nervous. I've barely slept all night because COVID time flight anxiety has happened to me. I needed to wake up at 6 a.m. and I basically couldn't get sleep till close to 2, which is so unlike me. But we are looking forward to this. We're looking forward to the next few days, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Oh my god. Okay, so the queues at every gate are so long, like legit. I'm glad we came like an hour and a half early. I'm really punctual in general, and this boy here is a really paranoid traveler when it comes to time. Hello, social distancing. Kaha ho aap? Plus, they have someone taking thermal temperatures over here at check-in. This is a very comforting sight. आप सबका ले रहे हो ऐसे टेम्परेचर?
हाँ,
दिन में आप कितने लोगों का लेते हो?
टोटल जितने भी फ्लाइट्स हैं,
अच्छा.
मोस्ट ऑफ द सबका. मैम your hands are cold.
Yeah, because I'm feeling cold.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so we're already web checked in and we've got a printout of our baggage tags and all, but those booths that you're seeing over there that are supposed to help you with add-on, like to give you your other stuff, your boarding passes and all, are not working. So somehow we are back in a queue. I mean, I wish there was better electronic support over here at the airport. After 10 minutes of being in that queue, we realized we were standing in the wrong queue. Why is this happening to us? We don't do this. Hi.
Hi, will you be okay through the check-in?
Will I what?
Will you be okay through the check-in?
On my own? I'm a big girl.
You are?
I am.
How big are you?
I'm 29 years old big. And I've traveled alone for a lot of my life.
Wow.
Wow. About to board. Everything has gone well so far. Alhamdulillah. And they've just handed this to us, which is an add-on disposable face mask, a face shield, and I see some sanitizer in here as well. So it's nice to see everyone taking so much precaution, na, Jerry, everywhere. Except for the little social distancing issues, but that's just airport management. And Jerry has been handed over the PPE kit because he is on the middle seat, so he needs to wear it. No, that's your airport. Oh, TD. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I posted for mine. But this one is his. I can't decide whether he looks like he's going into like an operation theater or whether he looks like he's about to go play judo or karate. Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! Okay, so one of the things I literally just kept doing in the flight was using a hand sanitizer. I was using this little spray hand sanitizer that my dad actually got for me, which is super handy to have when you're traveling and just need something on the go. Next up, I used the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Revitalift Micro Essence. I barely slept the previous night and I didn't have enough time to do my morning routine, so I went ahead and did it while I was in the flight. Just a few drops of the essence and patting it all across the face gives it that soothing, calming feel and texture that takes me nicely through the rest of the day. And I also went ahead and used the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Sheet Mask. This is absolutely great. I quickly moved my mask aside and set this on my face. The mask is super lightweight and fits on my face really well. The cuts definitely help make it fit all face shapes. Apart from that, I feel like it's the perfect follow-up after the essence for that perfect skin routine on the go. You'll see that I actually had a couple of marks on my face from this shield, but that was fine. You have to do what you have to do when you're trying to be safe. Once I was done with that, I actually switched on Netflix and tuned into the Ariana Grande London tour video called Excuse Me, I Love You, which is new on Netflix. I was so happy to catch up with it. In fact, Jerry got glimpses of me dancing away to Ariana's tunes at some point as well. I didn't realize he was filming that, but I'm leaving it in here for you guys. The flight experience landed up being pretty great. I was pretty anxiety driven and I shared that with you guys on my stories as well. The process was a lot smoother than I had personally anticipated. just experiencing that takeoff and the flight and even the landing was just all so nice. It felt so good to be traveling again, and it was all the more special because we were headed to meet our family. Once our arrival process was complete, Jerry's younger brother Jerome picked us up from the airport, and in no time we were at our Chennai home. Hi, mommy. We're home. That's Jerome, my brother-in-law, who you saw in the car. Good Lou is home.
Happening.
Hi, Nana. We're home, we're home, we're home, we're home. Everyone is settling down, and I will introduce you to my in-laws in just a few seconds.
What's your question?
Whom are welcome into our home?
Lorna and Anand.
She said Lola and Anna. Daddy, you programmed her to say that. Wow.
What's your question?
Who is the best wife?
Undoubtedly, with his wife Ranjit.
Mummy, Jerry, you have to listen to this. Where are you? Mummy, hi. आप फिश बना रहे हो? फिश एंड प्रॉन्स. मुझे सब बोलते हैं कि सासू माँ को दिखाओ वीडियोस में. आप चेन्नई में हो, मैं बॉम्बे में हूँ. फाइनली अब वो आपको मिलेंगे एंड आपके यमी फूड को देखेंगे गाइस. My mother-in-law is like the best cook ever. Okay, I can't believe day one has already ended over here. This has been a really great day. I'm always so happy to be surrounded by family, and you guys have got a glimpse of Cherry's family in today's video. I am gonna continue vlogging through this trip. So even though I'm ending this vlog right here, this is not the end of the Chennai vlogs. I will do one more vlog from here to give you a snippet into what my upcoming days over here are like. I'm here for the next 3 days, inshallah, and I'm just looking forward to all of the chill foodie downtime. I just spent some time with Neelama, my sister-in-law, and my mother-in-law while they were making Christmas goodie bags to go distributing to all of the neighbors. And mummy, my mom-in-law, made all of the snacks herself at home to put into these goodie bags, and she was like, make sure you put this in your video as well. These are the ones that I've made and they're so delicious. She's a great cook. I wish you guys could smell and taste this food through my vlogs, but you will see them some more. I'm also planning to do some really fun like Instagram reel kind of things with all of them while I'm here. So stick around to my Instagram. If you have not yet followed me, go follow me there. The Where Fam comment shout out for today goes to Aditi Kudalkar. Thank you so much, you guys, for always talking to me in the comments. I love you all so much, and I'm always so grateful to see what you have to say about my vlogs. Make sure you guys have hit that subscribe button so you can keep coming back for more videos. I love you all very much. I promise my next vlog from Chennai will come really soon as well, so stick around for that. Mwah. Merry Christmas in advance, or actually Merry Christmas already to you. For us it's tomorrow. Bye.